What's up, everybody? Bryce builds it all, your favorite A&P IA, and we are here to finally fly the Cessna 172 project. It's probably going to be a short video, but I'm really excited. So for those of you who aren't aware, and this is your first video, this 172 project right here is something that I've been working on the channel since about January. Now, we did work to it obviously before then. We stripped it all apart, overhauled the engine. It's got a new interior in it, completely stripped it, painted it white. They're going to put a vinyl scheme on it at some point, but we're going to go fly it for the first time today. We're breaking in the engine, so it's going to be a 2-hour engine break-in flight. I'm really excited. Obviously, I've been working on this airplane for a long time, and to finally see it come to sort of an end is really bittersweet. But there is still some things to do to it. Eventually, I need to touch up the paint, some other stuff like that, but I don't have a hangar to put it in to do that, so I can't do that just yet until the Bonanza is finished and the Velocity is finished, and then I can get it in the hangar and I can touch up the paint on like the wingtips and whatnot. But we're gonna get it in the air, so y'all come along for the ride. Well, I forgot to film an outro yet again. But as you can see from the footage, the aircraft flew absolutely incredible. It was very, very smooth. The longer we flew it, the better the engine ran. This is obviously pretty normal. I think at the start of the flight, we were doing like 100 miles an hour, and then kind of as the flight went on, we got all the way up to about 110 miles an hour, cruising at about 2,300 RPMs, which I think is really good for a 172, especially a 172 with a Continental O300 on it. But it went great. There's only a couple things that I have to do on it to finish it up. One of the wings is heavy, so I'm gonna have to wash the wings. The autopilot's not working correctly, and we had the nose strut go flat on us after landing. So we're gonna have to address those issues in the future, so you see those on some videos. But I wanna thank everybody who's followed along with this project since January, since I started putting it back together and put the new windows in it and everything that we've been doing to it. There's going to be some more projects coming to the channel. I've still got lots of work to do on the Bonanza. I've got some work on the Velocity that I'm doing. There's going to be a video coming on that very soon. I helped my buddy Darren with a very special project. There should be a video on that maybe next weekend. It's a T-34. Don't want to spoil too much about it, but it's a project that I did before the channel, and it rhymes with Bass Cockpit, if you understand what I mean. But all of that's coming. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing some car content as well. There's some projects that I need to do on the Mustang, the Miata. I've got something in the plans, but I don't have enough money for it yet. The channel is making money, but not that much money. So, yeah, in the future, hopefully more giveaways, hopefully all of that. I'm really in a great mood right now. I'm excited the flight went as well as it did. The guy you saw with me is the owner of the Velocity and half of the owner of the 172. So there are two owners, Fred and Lyle. And Fred was flying with me in the Cessna, and it honestly it went great. I couldn't be more happy with how the flight went and with how the airplane flew after being completely taken apart and put back together over about 13 months. So, at any rate, I hope y'all have a good Sunday. It's Sunday morning for me because I forgot to film this yesterday when we were flying the airplane, but I hope y'all have a good Sunday. Don't forget to like, leave us a comment, subscribe. As always, go build something and be easy.